Does your family have an emergency list with all the information they need to know to be able to manage your money, your property, your personal business affairs, and your health care if you were suddenly incapacitated? And if you were to suddenly die, does your family know what your estate consists of and where those assets are? Hi, I'm attorney Joel Beck with Peach State Wills and Trust in Lawrenceville, Georgia. And one of the things that we see from time to time is a situation where somebody's become incapacitated or they've suddenly died, and the family does not have the information that they need to deal with that situation, to be able to manage the person's affairs and finances and property if he or she can't do it because they're incapacitated, or if they've passed away, trying to figure out what the assets are, marshaling those together, paying off the bills, and administering the estate is much more difficult than it should be because they don't have an understanding of where the assets are, where the property is, and the like. So to help remedy that, we have developed the emergency list. It's a way that you can record all of the information that somebody needs to know if they have to come alongside you and manage things because you're incapacitated or deal with administering your estate. Now, this does not take the place of an estate plan. We prepare wills and trust and powers of attorney and other documents for our clients. This is an ancillary document. It's an additional document that simply aids those people that you've designated, that you've granted legal authority to take care of things for you. It gives them the information they need to know to be able to do their job that you've tasked them with. But it's very important that your agents, your executor, have some information to be able to work with instead of trying to start from scratch and recreate your financial history or your medical history. So on our emergency list, we have places for you to record where you keep your money, what banks and credit unions and investment firms, what type of retirement accounts you have, what mailing addresses you may use for different things, including email addresses, information about assets like real estate, that you may own, including real estate beyond your house or primary residence, information about businesses that you've invested in or owned, and information about tangible personal property that may have a significant value that somebody really might not recognize by looking at it. We also have a way here for you to list your typical debts or obligations and bills, record information about monies that are owed to you, and information about life insurance. Regarding your health care, we have a place for you to capture information about your health insurance, information about allergies and medical conditions and medications you take, along with a list of doctors. Putting this information together, keeping it with your estate planning documents can be a very incredibly great resource for your loved ones if they have to come alongside and start taking care of things for you if you are incapacitated, or to help them deal with managing and settling your estate if you were to die. So go to peachstatewills.com, click on free info, and then click the emergency list, and we'll send this to you for free, no strings attached. We want to try to help you have a way to organize some mission critical information that your family needs to know. If you're the only one who knows these things, that's a real problem in the event that you become incapacitated or were to pass away. Now, while you're at peachstatewills.com, be sure to look around. You can learn more about our firm and what we do and learn about estate planning in Georgia. You can also request our free guide to estate planning in Georgia, and we'll send that to you for free as well, no strings attached. If you've got questions about estate planning, probate, or other related needs, we invite you to contact us. You can give us a call at 678-344-5342 or go to peachstatewills.com and send us a message. Thanks.